This video shows how to buy shares of Definitive Healthcare Corp, a healthcare data and analytics company. It trades on NASDAQ under the ticker DH. This is an educational overview and not financial advice. To start, you need a brokerage account. We will use eToro as an example to demonstrate the steps. After registering, you must verify your account, usually by uploading an identity document, and add funds to your account before buying. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker DH to locate the company. Make sure you select the Definitive Healthcare Corp listing on NASDAQ. Open the stock page to review basic company information and the price chart. Confirm the page corresponds to Definitive Healthcare Corp before proceeding. Tap the Investor Buy button, enter the amount you want to purchase, and review the order details carefully before confirming. If the market is closed, the order may be queued for the next session, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will ask you to add money before it can complete the transaction. Once your order is executed, the position will appear in your portfolio. If you want to follow the same example, the link to eToro is in the description.